Hey everybody, welcome back, and today I'm going to be showing you how to solve a 2x2 Rubik's Cube. Now let's get into it. So, first you're going to want to scramble it, and so that's a kind of easy thing to do. If you want to, you can do it with your eyes closed, so you don't really know what you're doing. Like I sometimes do it with my eyes closed, or I get my mom to do it, just so I can't just like reverse the scramble. But let's get into it. So basically, the first thing that you're gonna want to do is you're gonna want to find all of the white pieces, and you're gonna want to match them up in rows of 2. Like you see the blue right here. You're going to want to match all your whites up like those like those two blue are. There's no algorithm or anything like that to do this, but the idea is that you're just gonna want to turn it into 2 and 2, and then you're gonna want to match them up into a row of 4 like that. And so next you're gonna want to look at all of the pieces just under. So if you have a row of 2, like this orange is, then great, point that away. If you don't have any, then you just have to do it twice. But point the row of 2 away if you have any. And then move the right side, so this side, downwards like this. The bottom layer right here, to the left like this. The right layer up. The left layer down, the bottom layer left or right, and then left layer up, right layer down, and then the bottom layer left, and then right layer up, and then you'll see all of your sides are solved. And then you're going to want to turn it upside down, and we'll start on the yellow side. Now, if you have 2 like I do right now, you're going to want to put them on the right, lined up on the right. If you have 1, you're going to want to put it in the bottom left. If you have bottom left, if you have 2 like this and this, you're going to want to put them on the bottom left and top right. And if you have none, then that's fine. Just do this algorithm no matter what. So basically, you're going to want to do right, up, top layer to the left. Now my white's here, and there's a white here, and so I'm going to want to move my right layer down, my top layer to the left again, my right layer up, my top layer to the left twice in a row, and then right layer down. And then I have 1 now. And then you're just going to want to repeat that algorithm until the yellow side solves like this. And now that I have my yellow side solved, I'm going to want to solve the rest of the cube. So I have 1 match, and that's orange. So orange face, yellow face, and white face. Cool. Now, if you're going to want to get a match, like an extra face like this, if all of them can match, that's great, but if they can't, then you're going to want to do this algorithm, but you're going to want to have the yellow side up and the match side facing away from you. And what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to right side down, like the face, meaning like this entire front part that you're looking at, to the right. Right side down, the back side, so the back layer, to the left twice, right up, face, or like this part, to the left, right up, back side, to the left again, twice, right up, twice, turn it backside twice again, so it doesn't really matter, but you just want to get it so the yellow and white are going to be like this, and you're going to want to just turn the white back to the bottom, and so it's like this again. And then if you didn't have any, then you're just going to want to do that algorithm again, and now it should be solved by just 1 or 2 turns, and now your 2x2 is solved. So I hope that guide helped you. Soon I'm going to get a new 3x3, so I'm going to do a tutorial on how to solve a 3x3. And so now if you have Instagram, go to your Instagram, and or to go to your parents or guardian's Instagram and comment down below the fastest time that you can solve the 2x2 if you time yourself. And I will see you guys next time.